Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make time slow down. To begin, embrace the present moment. When you are fully engaged, each second feels more substantial. Try practicing mindfulness for just 5 to 10 minutes each day. Focus on the small details around you, like the sound of birds or the texture of your clothes. This simple act can significantly expand your perception of time. Next, actively seek out novelty. Our brains perceive time as passing faster when life becomes routine. By introducing new experiences, you create more memorable firsts. Try learning a new language for 20 minutes daily or exploring a different route to work. These fresh inputs provide more data points for your brain, effectively stretching your perception of time's flow. Third, cultivate memory and reflection. The more memories you create and recall, the richer your past feels, making time seem longer. Spend 10 to 15 minutes each evening reflecting on your day. Consider keeping a journal to document your experiences. This active process of remembering helps solidify moments, giving them more weight and making your personal timeline feel more expansive. Finally, act with purpose and focus. When you are intentional about your actions, you are more present in each moment. Avoid multitasking. Instead, dedicate 100% of your attention to a single task for 20 to 30 minutes. This deep engagement makes the activity feel more significant and, paradoxically, makes the time spent on it feel longer and more meaningful. It's about quality over speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.